rapid urbanization and human activities are degrading the planet's green lungs. Accurate assessment of China's degraded forests is crucial for ecological restoration and carbon sequestration enhancement. A research team led by Dr. Liyong from the Chinese Academy of Forestry developed a degradation assessment system based on a decade national forest inventory data, incorporating 5 key indicators, including forest accumulation growth rate and canopy cover reduction, revealing the carbon code of degraded forests. The study found China's degraded forest area reaches 36.15 million hectares, accounting for 1/5 of the nation's total forest area. The existing carbon stock stands at 23.93 million tons, while the potential carbon sequestration capacity reaches 61.90 million tons. Qinghai shows the highest degradation rate at 62%, followed by Xinjiang, Inner Mongolia, and Heilongjiang, all exceeding 50%, while Shanghai's mere 1.5% rate demonstrates effective conservation. Published in Forest Ecosystems, these findings provide a China solution for global forest restoration